In this video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF certificate on your laptop using a free online PDF editor. First, open your web browser and search for Sajda PDF Editor. Open the Sajda PDF Editor website. Once the website loads, click the Upload PDF File button. Select the PDF certificate you want to edit from your computer. Wait for the file to upload. Once the PDF opens, use the available editing tools to make your changes. You can add text, insert images, add your signature, highlight content, or draw on the PDF if needed. After you've finished editing, click the Apply Changes button. Wait a few moments while the website processes your file. Now click the Download button to save the edited PDF to your laptop. Open your Downloads folder to view the updated PDF file. That's it. This is how you can edit your own PDF certificate on a laptop using the free Sajda PDF Editor website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.